am I?
Klaus Larsen.
Okay, and to you?
Poppi.
Poppi. Okay, and you are Camilla. And to me,
Bean.
you're Bean. Yeah, that's right. You got a roofing shirt on. Huh? How did you become a roofer? How about we make you a roofer? What do you think?
That sounds great.
Okay, hang on. Just a second. Let's make you a roofer. What do you think? A roofer needs a hard hat?
A hard hat to keep their head safe when they're building.
Oh. And?
To protect their eyes, they need special things that look like glasses.
Here you go. Okay, so hang on a second. What else do we need? What is this?
A belt to carry all your equipment.
Your tools, right?
Yes.
So how's that? That fits pretty good.
Yes.
All right. And we are precision roofers, correct?
Correct.
What is this?
It's something to measure.
Yeah, tape measure, right? So you need a tape measure. Ah.
It helps you measure different things.
Yeah. Roofing shingles. How are they attached to the roof? With, what do you need?
A hammer.
Yeah, so what are we nailing them with?
Screws.
Nails.
Nails. But just, and you tap it, the little screws on, which will secure the shingles onto the roof.
And we want to make sure that they straight, right? So we need one of these here too. So should we put those in the belt? And hammer goes in right here. Cool. How's that?
Good.
So are you ready to put
Klaus on your house.
yeah? So we ready to put a Klaus on our house?
Yes, I am.
Okay.